Hello everyone! For this video, using the new Casio CW Class Wiz Calculator, we will explore how to construct an amortization schedule. Here's the format of an amortization schedule that we can use. For example, in this problem, the given are present value of 74,000 pesos, period of time of 1.5 years, number of conversion period for 1 year is 12, since the payment is to be made every end of the month, that is 12 times in a year, and annual interest rate of 3.471%, since payment is made every end of the month, the annual interest rate of 3.471% will be divided by 12. So using the simple ordinary annuity formula, the monthly payment will be 4,225 pesos. To prepare the amortization schedule, we will use the spreadsheet mode of the calculator. So press Home and then highlight the spreadsheet mode and press OK. Now going back to the sample amortization schedule, since the payment is every end of the month, for 1 year and 6 months, then the total number of payment is 18. So we will input the payment number in column A of the spreadsheet. That is 0, execute, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Since it will take time to input all the values, we can just create a formula to automatically input the values down to payment 18. So press Tools and OK. Then we fill Formula. For the form, input A5 by pressing Shift 5 plus 1 and then Execute button. For the range, that will be from A6 to A19. So use the right arrow key and X to set the values. Then press Execute. Now we press again Execute button to confirm. So we now have the values from 0 to 18 payments. Next, so at the beginning, the outstanding principal is 74,000 pesos. So we input this value on cell E1. For column B, the periodic payment will begin on payment number 1. So we input 4,225 on cell B2 up to cell B19. Again, since it will take time to input 4,225 down to payment 18, we can just create a formula to automatically input the amount. Just press Tools and Fill Formula. So for the form, input B by pressing Shift 5. Then we input a dollar symbol, pressing Catalog, Spreadsheet, arrow down key, and then dollar symbol. So OK. And then press 2. And Execute. For the range, that is from B3 to B19. So just use the right arrow key and delete button to change it. Then press Execute button twice. Next, we input the interest payment that is computed by multiplying the outstanding principal before the periodic payment multiplied by the monthly interest rate. That is again 3.471% or 0.03471 divided by 12. So before the first payment, the outstanding principal is 74,000, which is in cell E1. So from cell C2, let us input formula by pressing again Tools, Fill Formula. Again, multiply the outstanding principal on cell E1. So press Shift and 2 to input E. 1 times, open parenthesis, 0.3471 divided by 12. Then close parenthesis. Then press Execute. So for the range, that will be from C2 to C19. Again, just use the right arrow key to change the last C2 to C19. Then press again Execute button twice. You will observe that other values are zeros. That is because we have not computed yet other outstanding principal, but will later be changed automatically. For the principal repaid, we just get the difference of the periodic or monthly payment and interest payment. That is column B minus column C. So from cell D2, we will input again a formula by pressing Tools, Fill Formula. Then for the form, input B2 minus C2. That is Shift 5, 2 minus Shift 6, 2, and execute. For the range, that is from D2 to D19. Then, press again execute button twice. Now, observe that the amounts after D2 are the same, but eventually, this will be changed as we complete the table. Lastly, to complete the outstanding principal at the end of each payment, deduct the previous outstanding principal and the current principal we pay. For the formula, we will input E1 minus D2. So make sure that the highlighted cell is in E2. Again, press Tools, Fill Formula. For the form, input Shift 2, 1 minus Shift 1, 2, and press execute button. Again, for the range, that is from E2 to E19. So press the execute button twice. So we have completed now the amortization schedule. So that is how we construct an amortization schedule in the spreadsheet mode of the new Casio CW ClassWiz calculator. Hope you got this. Bye!